Hi, I'm Linda. Welcome to LCD TV. This stands for Linda's Cats Dogs Travel Vlogs. In this video, number 29 of my cat collection, you can admire wooden cats in all kinds of colors. Perhaps you may want to know more about this cat collection, including how it was created in the late 70s and has now grown to more than 6,300 pieces. There are all different categories, for example, cats made of wood, fabric, metal, glass, plastic, porcelain, clay, some with flowers or with kittens from very small to super large cats. In all categories you will find cat figurines that have been photographed by me from 4 sites. It also stated in which city and country I bought these statues or from whom I possibly received them as a gift. In addition, there are also a lot of photos of all the real cats that have been in my life. If you wish, you can visit my website catmuseumtommy.com. You can help me to be more findable on YouTube if you give me thumbs up if you like this video. Of course, I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel for free. And if you activate the bell below, you will be automatically notified when new videos have been released. Your comments you can leave under this video. Perhaps a tip when you aren't yet so familiar with YouTube, if you click on the logo LCD TV down below or just above, then choose Visit Channel or directly choose Playlist. This way it makes it a bit easier to find the video that you want to watch instead of scrolling through the whole list of videos. For now, I hope you enjoy watching and I hope to see you on the next episode of this cat collection. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the next episode of this cat collection, or perhaps at some other video on my channel. Greetings from Linda and from my cats and my dogs.